What's up? Good morning, guys. Good night, Chanachimida. What is good morning in Japanese? I forgot. Okay. First off, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below. Thank you very much. So today's Sunday, and I think it's currently 8:40 or 8:50, and yeah, I'm gonna start getting dressed. So this is a get ready with me video, makeup and outfit. So yeah, I've showered. I just need to start doing my makeup now and then get dressed. So
Ryan Little.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
So, this is the makeup I'm doing. I'm gonna post a picture here. This is actually an unfinished look by Miss Shavante, a very, very amazing makeup artist. I really hope I pronounced her name well. Like, she did add, like, I think eyeliner on top of this, but I'm just gonna go with this one. And yep.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
So, now it's time to get twisted, baby. I feel hungry. Okay, today I'm wearing Ankara. Okay, and when I tried on this outfit, I honestly felt like a queen. Yes, I did. I am not going to apologize for feeling that way because I looked really good. Okay. It's a crop top. It's a top and a skirt, kind of like a crop top. But yeah, my mom actually made this for me from Nigeria and she sent it here, but I haven't actually worn it since. I was just going through like my Ankara clothes and I saw this. I saw like a lot of cute ones, but this one I was like, this one is for Sunday. The rest can wait a little bit. This is perfect though. Okay, let's get dressed. Let's wear the top. That was not difficult at all. I feel bloated. I kind of ate late. I know I shouldn't, but I just ate like a chicken. But I didn't let it like, you know, really digest before lying down because it was like 4 a.m. I just wanted to sleep. Anywho, let's wear the skirt. It's a maxi. It's very long, beautiful skirt. I think I'm gonna wear like a shorts inside, or maybe not. I don't know. Now accessories. I'm going with this silver hoop earrings. I wanted to go with the gold, but I just felt like the silver goes better with it, so. My belly is grumbling. I need to eat something before going. I'm not gonna wear like any necklace because I just feel like it goes like it's just okay like this. And I'm gonna wear 2 silver rings. The heart one, I'm gonna put it here. And this one, I'm gonna put it here. So. Okay, now for shoe. I'm wearing heels today, but of course I'm gonna carry like a really big bag so I can put a low slippers in it, you know, because I can wear heels. I can, the maximum amount I can wear heels for like 20 to 30 minutes. After that, it needs to go. So I'm wearing these white heels. I actually got this like for my graduation. I wore this, and the time that they called us to like stand at you know, stand before the rest of the crowd, you know, at the stage, yeah. I was at the back, and after standing for like 5 or 10 minutes, I just removed it and I walked back down like barefooted because I can't do that. I don't do heels for a long time. I can't. So I'm gonna wear the heels later and then show you the whole look. And I'm wearing this bag on top of it. You know, I'm just gonna use this to like take pictures and all, and then just like shove it into the bigger bag. Okay. Now for the hair reveal. I made my hair, I think, day before yesterday, and I did a tutorial or journey for the whole hair. So it's not all this braids. I'm really proud of this. It's not extremely straight because like it's hard for me to see my own hair myself, but overall I think I did good. So I'm just gonna put it in the back like this. Okay, so let me show you the whole look now. I am tired. So yeah, that's it for this whole outfit and makeup and whatnot. I still have about like, I think, well, 2 hours before I go to church. So I'm just gonna go connect live to the live service and yeah, and then go to church. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and comment and also subscribe to my channel, and also go follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below. Thank you so much.